Hey guys, Lynette here, and in today's video we are unboxing a Bath & Body order. So let's get in and let's get into the unboxing. Alright guys, welcome back. So I was done for the day, but lo and behold, Bath & Body had to drop off my package today. Definitely excited because there's some goodies in here that I wanted to share. But if you guys didn't take advantage of that sale, there was like a free candle sale. I took advantage of that. And when you look in the package, if you get your Bath & Body orders, back in the day, we used to get like a 20% coupon off here. We don't get these anymore. So Bath & Body, you can definitely leave these out of the packages because they are super teasing. But anyway, all right, so you had to place an order for any amount and then you would get a free candle. So I don't know about you guys, but I love taking advantage of getting a free candle because I'm gonna show you guys what I did to get a couple of products here for for basically the price of a free candle. Basically, shipping is really what I paid for. So I don't know why it's giving me a hard time with getting the candle out, but I kind of want to give you guys an idea. This is white pumpkin. Give me a second. I have to open the box a different way. This definitely wasn't opening the right way. Okay, so at least this is actually one of my first candles for the fall. I don't know. I haven't really gotten into buying more candles because I have so many here. If you watch any of my empties, you guys know I definitely do go through empty candles very fast. So I love, this is white pumpkin. So I love, first of all, I love the packaging on this. So at the top, it does match the pumpkins on the outside, which is super cool. It's like a bronzy golden color on the outside. And then smells like pumpkin. So it smells like a natural pumpkin. It's okay, gingered white pumpkin. So it had a gingerbready kind of scent to it, like a ginger spice to it. So that makes sense. So the notes for this are gingered white pumpkin, caramel glaze, warm blended spices with natural essential oils. So definitely gonna save this one and put it to the side because I want to kind of change this up with I have a coffee bar that is, I'm looking at it right now, and it's totally white. So this would look perfectly in my coffee bar because I actually have a sign over there that is, I think I got it from the dollar store. Hold on, I'm gonna show you guys. So you see, I got this from the dollar store. I got it from the dollar store. So it actually goes with this because the wording here, it's marble and then the wording here, but this is from the dollar store, so it goes together. So I'm gonna put the candle over there also. So that's just one thing. So that is good. And if this is more of, I would say like cinnamon, it's not cinnamon, sorry, like a ginger cinnamon kind of scent. So definitely gourmand. So if you don't like gourmand scent, then I would give this a pass. But if you do, now let me know in the comment section below. This may be controversial, not really. But I've never had pumpkin spice latte before. So if you smelled this before, let me know in the comment section below if you guys have tried pumpkin spice latte and does this smell like it? Because it kind of gives me like a cinnamon spice pumpkin kind of vibe. But I don't know how it's gonna smell, but that's just straight up cold. That's how it smells to me. Now, we're on the street in YouTube streets here. Fairytale is like hot right now, so I definitely had to grab this. Basically what I did is I had 2 rewards, and usually I get candles, but I wanted to give this a try. So this is Fairytale. This is Ultimate Hydration Body Cream with hyaluronic acid. So if you watch any, and plus the packaging is super cute, but if you watch any of my come with me or shop with me's that I've been doing lately, if you haven't, go back and go check those out. People are loving those. But there's a lot of products, especially like Neutrogena products, that have hyaluronic acid. Supposedly it's supposed to be very good for your skin. So I'm definitely impressed that Bath & Body added that to the mix on their side. So supposedly this is also If you watch Living Ash on YouTube, that is how I started getting into all these videos that you guys are loving, my hygiene videos, because I've been into hygiene for a very long time. But she compared this to like a very luxury brand name, and I can't think of it right now. If you guys know what this is supposed to be compared to as a brand name, I think it's something by Eves or something, but I could be lying. Put it in the comment section below so you guys can help me out and help everyone else out. This is supposed to be comparable to a fancy schmancy fragrance that's out there. So for the scent notes for this are, and I'll show you guys this because the packaging for this is cute. It's pomegranate, nectar, fresh orange blossom, vanilla bean, warm amber. So I love the packaging of this here. And I'm gonna give you guys a review, I guess you can say, of that. But I definitely had to use my rewards, and so I can put this in my bathroom because the writing of this, let me know what it reminds you of. For me, it reminds me of like the Disney World writing. So I thought it was super cute. So I definitely hope that they go in that direction, because sometimes that's why I go into like the Targets and the TJ Maxx's and the Walmarts, because I just want something a little bit different. But I've been trying to get away from like the bakery scents for like lotion and things like that. I want something that, we're grown up. Sometimes those are cool for when you're hanging out in the house, but sometimes you don't need it. So basically what I paid for is this antibacterial spray. We like to keep this now that my son is going back to school, so we are scrubbing stuff down. He likes to take things like this with him to school. So this is eucalyptus mint. This was actually on sale. Let me just make sure. Yeah, this was on sale for $2. So basically I paid for this and the shipping, and all the other things were free. So if they ever in the future, if you ever see like a sale like that, you know, you get a free candle and just gotta buy anything, just buy anything. And antibacterial hand soap is definitely needed in everyone's house, so might as well, or get one of those dollar pocket bat holders. A lot of people do that, but I wanted to actually get something that we can make use, you know, get use out of. So that's that. All right, so first, I'm not gonna spray this because eucalyptus mint, it's a minty scent. So there's that. All right, so very impressed with the candle. So let us go back and take a look to see what Fairytale is all about. So let me see here. And I was gonna try to get the lotion, but the lotion, the regular lotion, I tend to go for those because I for some reason, I know a lot of people that do this. So for some reason the lotion gets stuck here, and there's like a lot of lotion that gets stuck. So I usually don't go for the body creams, but this one has hyaluronic acid. I don't know if the lotion does, but it wasn't available online for me to grab anyway. So I couldn't get it if I wanted to, but normally definitely go for the regular body lotions. And it actually, okay, first things first. I normally tend not to go for the body creams because they're usually very thick. I don't know if it's a hyaluronic acid that's in it, but it's leaving like you guys are not going to be able to tell. Yeah, you're not going to be able to tell, but if I could, you guys are not going to, I don't think you can tell. Basically up here is where I put the lotion, down here is where I didn't. It's leaving like a good, if you like this, it's leaving like a nice sheen to it. So normally to get this type of sheen, I usually use a baby Johnson & Johnson's baby gelled oil, cocoa butter and shea. That's what I usually use before I use any lotion. Normally these body creams don't give you that sheen, and they're kind of like sticky and too thick. So that's kind of why I tended to go away from these. I don't know if you guys are using these still, but this one, gotta be because of hyaluronic acid. This one is really, really shiny, and it's not so thick. And this one smells really good. Like tomorrow we're supposed to go to the movies to see a Marvel movie, Shang-Chi, because my family loves Marvel. But this one is really, really good. Like I can definitely see myself using this tomorrow before we go to the movies, and just pair it with, as you always do, pair that lotion with the fine fragrance mist. But this definitely has like an adult scent. It's not floral because I don't like florals. Thank goodness. This is more, I'm trying to think, out of all the scents that stand out, I would say, I don't even smell vanilla bean. The citrus, I do smell the citrus, but it's not an orange scent. It's like maybe the nectar and the citrus together. I guess the merging of the pomegranate, the citrus, and the vanilla give this like a good scent to it. Plus, on the back it says it's hyaluronic acid and shea butter. I guess the combination of that is giving this like a soft, lotiony vibe, which you normally would only get from the body lotion. And I could be totally rambling on, but this one, it does smell really good. Now, normally I do not buy products without going to the store and smelling it, but because I've watched so many reviews on this one, and the crazy thing is, if you see the packaging, it shows floral, but that's a lie because it does not. If you don't like, well, I don't like floral scents. If you don't like floral scents, then you don't have to worry about it. This does not smell florally. It's more of a fruity, but a perfumey scent. So this smells like you spent some coins. It smells like you spent some money on this scent. So I would definitely pair the two. If you can, get definitely the fine fragrance mist and the body cream. If you can't, you guys know I said I do not buy body cream, but I would definitely suggest getting the body cream because this has hyaluronic acid. So yes, get it. This is definitely recommended. So that is it. So with that being said, let me know in the comment section below what has been your favorite, newest, latest Bath and Body cream line. Well, not body cream, scent so far, so I can maybe check those out. This is the first line I've gotten from the fall, so I'm definitely excited to try that. I'm definitely going to give that a try tomorrow and see what everybody else thinks, because my family will definitely let me know. But with that being said, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss another video, and we'll see you on the next one. Have a good day, guys.